4 a.m. head count uncovered one of Israel's biggest security lapses in recent memory. 6 Palestinian prisoners in a high-security facility had vanished overnight through a hole in their cell floor.
This
wasn't exactly a case of just digging a tunnel. It appears that there was an exploitation of the structure of the cells, of the space underneath.
Gilboa prison, inside Israel and just north of the occupied West Bank, was built quickly on supportive columns on a site prone to sinkholes. In 2014, an attempt by another group to get out by getting underneath was prevented and remedial work carried out, but the weakness remained. The 6 cellmates emerged through this hole directly under a watchtower in what Israel says was a coordinated operation with help from the outside.
All efforts are focused on catching these escapees. We will catch them in 2 or 3 days. They will be caught. In the meantime, we will investigate the events here.
The men all come from in or around the city of Jenin, nearby in the occupied West Bank. 5 are members of Palestinian Islamic Jihad, 4 of them serving life sentences for attacks that killed Israelis. The 6th escapee is Zakaria Zubeidi, a high-profile figure in Fatah's armed wing, the Al-Aqsa Martyrs Brigade. On trial, charged with attacks against Israelis, he was also once detained by Palestinian security services, accused of collaborating with Israel. For Israelis, there's widespread shock.
I think it's a disappointment to the guys that works there. All this facility should be checked again.
Israel's government is under enormous pressure to recapture these men, with the public security minister saying they may have made for the Jordanian border, they could have headed into the occupied West Bank, or may still be inside Israel planning to carry out attacks. For Palestinians, there has been celebration, this seen as a demonstration that Israel's military power is not absolute. In Gaza, sweets were handed out to mark the occasion, Hamas, which controls the Strip, calling it a heroic and brave act. In the men's hometown of Jenin, more celebrations, even in the knowledge that Israel's military could soon be coming in force.
It's something that makes us very proud. May God be with them and help them, and may God free all the prisoners.
Already, Israel has moved 80 other Palestinian prisoners out of Gilboa as the hunt continues for the 6 who vanished in the night.